Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak about how to make checkpoint for your game. Now I have this is my game and I need to checkpoint. If you die, you need to respawn at the last checkpoint. First of all, we need to go to third person character. This is my third person character and we need to go there. We need to add last check last checkpoint point. Good. And we need to make it vector and we need to compile and save. On event character, we need to create event, custom event. We need to add location, and this is vector set actor location. Good. Compile and save. We need to create a checkpoint. Yes. Class blueprint class and actor check point. Go there, create box collision, begin on component, begin overlap, cast to third person character and set last checkpoint, get actor location. Okay, compile and save, close, checkpoint, place here, nice, like that. A little bit to respawn here, to respawn at this place. Okay. The second step, we need to make die zone. If we come here and jump from here and die, we need to respawn at this place. Okay. Um, Blueprint class actor blueprint. Yes. Die zone box collision. The same box collision on become overlap cast to third person character. We I forget the name of the event character here. Custom event. What is the name of it? Respawn. Respawn on location. Good. Compile and save. This is the name of event. Die zone. Respawn on location. Good. We need to get last checkpoint. Now play. We need to repair it. A little bit here. We need to make play sound, die zone. Play sound. Ah, compile, save. Okay. We get last point here. For example, this is last point, checkpoint here. And this is checkpoint. And this is die zone. Now play. Respawn. Respawn the same place. Not respawn. Yes. If I need to come here. And this one. This one. This one. Yes, this is last checkpoint. Last one. Good. Now, if I got this one here. Ah, good. Good. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. Take care and see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.